Hi guys, it's Miss Helen. I just wanted to say I miss you all. I wanted to make you guys some peanut butter chocolate chip cookies today. If you don't have peanut butter, that's okay. Maybe your parents might have some sun butter or almond butter or something in that field. That's fine. You can use that. First, what we need is some peanut butter. Get some peanut butter. We have some peanut butter. We got 1 cup of peanut butter, okay? Crunchy is really good. If you just have smooth, that's okay too. And then we're gonna put in 1 egg and 2/3 cups of brown sugar. Now if you have regular sugar, that's okay. Brown sugar tastes really good. And some vanilla, a teaspoon of vanilla. And you're gonna mix that. Together. Then we're gonna add in some chocolate chips. You don't have to add chocolate chips if you don't want to add chocolate chips. You can just have the peanut butter and then put that on the cookie sheet. But if you have them and you like them, about 1 cup, but we're not counting. However many chocolate chips you really like. Mix that up. Okay, it'll look like that. Now you got your cookie dough. Okay, now we're gonna take a spoonful and we're going to put them on the cookie sheet. Okay, take a spoonful. I'm just gonna scoop it out. It's very soft, guys. Just remember that. That's okay. There is no flour in this, so if you are allergic to gluten, that is okay. This is going to be good for you. But if you are allergic to peanut butter, again, you can use almond butter or you can use sun butter. Whatever you like. Super simple. Make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees. And we're going to put this in the oven for 10 minutes. Okay guys, and welcome back. My cookies are ready to come out of the oven. It had to stay in there for about 14 minutes, but make sure you check it. Make sure you have your parents check it. And you're gonna let these sit for a couple minutes because they are super duper hot. But let them cool down, and they are so yummy, warm or not warm. You can cool them all the way down and have them cold. But they are super duper yummy, and they are Miss Marie's favorite, so I hope you enjoy them as much as she does and as much as I do. And I can't wait to see you guys again. Talk to you soon.